So guys, a lot of you asked me about the beans and potato recipe, the one that we did on our mukbang like a couple of mukbangs ago. I'm not sure, I don't remember, the Chinese style stir-fried potato and beans. We are in the farm and I'm gonna show you now how I made that. So when the pan is hot, when the oil is hot, I'm gonna add some leeks. You can use spring onion, but I do not have spring onion, so I'm using leeks, which is not that very different. That's the beans. I have here pre-boiled potatoes and add some beef broth. I would suggest you to use chicken broth if you have. You can do this without the potato pre-boiled and you can cook longer, but mine is pre-boiled, so I'm just gonna cook them for 10 minutes and then we'll add soy sauce, oyster sauce and garlic, and that should be it. Okay, it's 10 minutes and the beans is cooked. I add some garlic and soy sauce and oyster sauce. I'm gonna cook this for another 5 minutes and it's done. And for our mukbang, gobi CHAMPHUT, tauriyashida, boiled cabbage, and then I'm gonna fry eggs with tomato, and we're done. Hi guys!
Hello.
Welcome back to another mukbang.
Welcome.
We're still on the farm.
Yes, we are.
And today's menu is nothing
Nothing out of ordinary. Everything simple.
Yeah, very simple food. This is fried tomato and eggs. Here, everybody asked for it. The recipe is there in the beginning if you want to know. Beans and potatoes, Chinese style. And here, ghost pepper with ngari and kidney beans and onions. And here, CHAMPHUT.
And this tomato and eggs.
Yeah, I said that already.
No, I'm.
고비 CHAMPHUT later, CHAMPHUT later.
Yeah, go. We can do it all together at the same time.
Go baby.
Thank you.
You can take it later. Your plate is too full.
My plate is full.
This is his favorite. Last time he loved it. Yeah?
Yeah, I did.
That's why we bought the beans from the Chinese on the way to the farm. And there you are.
And so shall we begin.
And we begin.
My lovely love.
Is it good?
Good.
Gonna be a little bit spicy, this one. Murok met pene ngariga duga beans, onion. Haure.
Haura. Hooray.
Haure.
Haura.
Can say mushepa. Mushepa.
Mushepa.
Chepane.
Mushepa, chepane. The tastes. My favorite.
Yeah? That's for you, baby.
Wow. Chapidra.
The mumia thing that we're doing.
Shilajit.
Shilajit that we're doing. It's not that very restricted. The guy didn't say that we should not eat meat. But since we both are O positive blood type,
Yeah.
so it's better for us not to eat that.
The thing is, I definitely feel better if I don't eat meat every day. Somebody can feel good, but I personally don't. So it is good for me and for you probably also.
We are losing weight already, I think. 1 kilo each. In just couple of days. By not eating only meat.
Point is to find the good balance, you know. We will eat meat definitely, baby, but probably once a week. You know, but to find the balance, not to eat too much of everything. It's not about restriction, it's about the balance.
Like we said before, this diet is like not for us to lose weight,
Yeah.
just to cleanse our guts.
Wow. This is going to be a fight, baby.
Why?
Because I can see I can eat a lot. But I have to slow down.
This is our lunch and dinner, guys.
Nice.
If you're new to our channel,
Welcome.
welcome. Thank you so much, and please subscribe. This is his parents' farm. Not so big,
Yeah.
just enough for both of them. And we eat everything from here.
Pretty much.
One napkin?
No, not yet. I'm going to devastate this. Nice combinations, baby. Oh, hi.
I love beans. Like all kinds of beans.
You know,
All kinds of beans I love. Like,
after this, our plan is to let it go. But I see that we're gonna have to take a nap.
really? You think so?
I think so.
It's a 40 minutes drive from the city.
It's not that far. It's just that
Traffic sometimes.
I don't know. You have to be careful in the traffic, you know. So I like to be as much as I can aware when I'm driving. Oh yeah.
Bella is somewhere.
Up to no good. That dog is special.
How do I say if this is your first time in this channel in Manipuri? Metelon.
You ask me?
Just thinking. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ channel the first time already subscribe tꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯀꯣ. I'm saying if you're here for the first time, please subscribe. To everybody, Naglen Manukan also subscribe kuribide. You wanna say that? Subscribe
Subscribe.
kuribide.
Okay. Nangalet Manukan subscribe kuribide.
Yeah. Now, thank you now.
Thankful Nabi.
Subscribe Sami no.
Subscribe Sami no.
And Mayday now being.
Meite Nabi.
That's thankful. Wait. Subscribe tꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣꯀꯣ.
Subscribe to Biogo.
Thank you. Good job, baby.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Ah, it is spicy, the salad.
Yeah. These are my kind of food that I can eat every day.
These are my kind of food that I can eat every day.
Don't copy me.
I will never copy you. Ooh.
But, honey, it was a wonderful 3 days, yeah?
Yeah, it was really nice.
It goes really fast.
Usually we have some of the allergies and stuff, but this time
Yeah, we beat it.
we managed to fight it.
We had a little bit of stuffy nose.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me, after I did the last time, after I did the mumio last time, April,
Yeah.
then the severe one never comes back again.
Nice.
The best way to fight allergies or any kind of, not the severe one, not the major one, but the small ones like sneezing, coughing, headache.
Yeah.
The best way to treat all those things is like making sure that your guts are good and
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
Drink lots of water.
Definitely, yeah.
Best way. Better than medicine.
Prevention, yeah.
Drinking water.
Ooh. That was a lot. I'm sweating like a piglet.
Because it's all vegetables, honey.
I cannot resist this.
Rice, vegetables, beans, potato.
Everything's stuffy.
Starchy.
Ooh-wee!
Yeehaw!
Yeah. Well, how you doing?
Howre.
Alright.
But then howre. This kind of food, if you know how to put together well, then it's always better than meat.
Yeah.
Loire.
Ciao, Berizze. It's spicy.
Becoming so Indian, yeah?
I'm sorry about that.
Is it over?
Dobar, baby. Is it time for mukbang?
Yes.
For shoutouts? Mukbang. Shoutouts.
So white people.
Okay.
Bang. Mukbang.
Okay. Welcome to Shoutouts. Narrated by me. Oh. First hello is for Adaha Chewang. Adaha Chewang.
She wants us to shout out her brother and sister's name.
Adaha Chewang wants us to shout out brother Kaining sister Nelia.
Hey guys.
Nelia. Hi guys.
Thank
Hi
you so much.
Kaining. Hi Nelia.
Thank you,
Nelia.
Ataha.
Next one is Marley Jamir. Shout out to Karpi Koyu. Karpi
Да.
Koyu. Shout out also to Gigi or Gigi.
Gigi.
Gigi Penuela.
She's from Singapore.
Shout out for you.
Thank
Sorry.
you. Singapore, the science lab city. Beautiful city.
Next one is the shout out for Life of Northeast in Chennai.
Yes. What's up, you?
Yeah, we didn't forget you, yeah? Okay. Next shout out is for Annie Diamaris.
Annie Dimario.
Oh, Annie
remember?
Diamario, husband. Yeah.
We shout out her name and then she said her husband and her cousin so jealous.
Yes, so this is for the husband. Shout out for the husband Amar.
Amar.
And
Amar, not Amar.
Amar. Yes.
Hey Amar.
Hi,
What's
Amar.
up, homie?
And cousin
Jaya.
Jaya. Shouting out for all of you guys. Thank you for writing down.
Everybody. Not just shouting out the names, every one of you. You guys know that you guys are awesome.
You are the best. And you know that.
Let's not overdo it in that way.
Well, that's how I was taught. No, I'm kidding. No, really, guys, thank you for following us and giving us support. We're going to say that almost every video.
Because
it
we are
means a
very
lot.
thankful,
because
means
it
a lot.
Yeah.
Remember when we were like
100 views.
celebrating 100
Yeah.
subscribers?
Yeah, it was amazing.
It's amazing where we are right now.
I mean, we are in Barajevo, but I understand.
And
what
someone
you
was
say.
like, oh, a lot of you like wishes like, hope you will reach the 1 million soon and 100,000 soon.
We would like to develop slowly but firmly, you know. We don't want to disappoint anybody, so we are keeping here on steady pace.
Paciencia y fe. Eh?
Paciencia.
Patience and faith, yeah?
Yes.
We all go there. Get there. With you guys. Some are sharing on WhatsApp, sharing with their friends and families.
Yes, definitely. And also, the Facebook is rising.
Oh, yeah.
So thanks for that. And also, thanks for our Facebook friends. Well, that would be it, yeah?
Uh-huh.
We devoured this food now. We're gonna probably flip over and sleep on the grass. But
Take a nap.
thank you guys for watching, and please share, comment, like, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever.
Yeah. And please do not hesitate to write down anything, like whatever you think.
Yeah, feel free.
The suggestions are like so welcome.
Yeah.
Whatever you guys suggest, we'll always try to do that way. So
If you have things how to manage, we will do it. So that should be it, yeah?
yes. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Thanks, guys.
And if you like it, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not already did, and hit the notification bell.
Also that
Do not
too,
forget that. And check out our blog. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Facebook. We're everywhere.
Don't follow us in real life. That's gonna be stalking. But digitally follow us.
We'll see you in our next mukbang, guys. Bye.
See you
Have a
guys.
nice day.
Bye.